Hello everyone, this is Radha Krishna. Today we are going to discuss on picture box controls in this video. A picture box displays the graphical image on the form. Suppose if you want to load an image onto your form during your development of an application, then you can use the picture box as an option to load the graphical image onto the form. There are some commonly used properties for the picture box controls. Image specifies the image that which it will be displayed on the form. Size mode specifies how the controls image is to be displayed, like stretched, fit to the screen, etc. Visibility determines whether the image or control is visible on the form or not during the runtime of the application. Let's check how to display the picture box on the Visual Studio. Go to the View, Toolbox, and in General all Windows Forms, Picture Box. Drag and drop the picture box option. Automatically an image is loaded here. In this way, a picture box can be loaded on the screen. If you check the properties, then no image is displayed here. So this image displays the image that is going to be displayed on the form. Size mode has the options of normal, stretch image, auto size, center image, zoom, etc. If the visibility is true, you can see the image that is loaded onto the form. If it is false, the image will not be loaded on the form. Image properties, select resource window. The image property has a select resource window. Click the ellipse button to open on the image box and click the import button and locate the image file that you want to display on the form. Let's check how it can be done in the Visual Studio. Check the image. This is the ellipse button that needs to be clicked. Check the local resource and import file from the location of anywhere. As the size mode is normal, the incomplete image is not displayed. If you click the auto size, automatically the size of the picture box is set to the size of the image. An application can display an image and perform some action when the user clicks the image. That is, application not only allows you to load the image onto the form, but also allows to perform some action whenever the user clicks the image. This is done by the event handler, and this is called click event handler. To create a click event handler, double click the picture box control in the designer box, and you can write the statements in the code editor inside the event handler for what you want to execute when the image is clicked. That is, you can perform any operations like writing the message onto the label or performing some calculations whenever the picture is clicked, or popping up a message using the message box option, etc. Going forward to the creating clickable images, here are some of the examples shown for creating clickable images. All the click event handlers are suffixed by _click. Here in the first example, in the cat event handler, the message is popped using message box as meow. And in the second example, that is the spider picture box event handler, the image is made invisible using the spider picture box dot visible equal to false. Let's check how it is done in the Visual Studio. On double clicking the image, the event handler of the picture is opened. This is the picture box _click that is opened on double clicking the image. Here I am popping out the message as meow. So whenever you execute the application, and click the image, a message is popped, meow. So in this way the event handler can be used. Visibility property. Visibility property determines whether the control is visible on the form at runtime or not. That is, the visibility property allows you to make the image visible or invisible whenever an action is performed on the image or some button, etc. It is a Boolean property, so it is either true or false. So it can also be modified in the properties window or modified in the code by assignment spider picture box dot visible equal to true. In this way the visibility property is executed. True or false must always be written in lowercase, as the C#.NET is case sensitive. Let's check how the visibility property is worked in Visual Studio. So I'm clicking the event handler. Here I am displaying the message box as meow. For now I am going to comment this code and I am making the image visible. Checkbox1 dot visible equal to false. As the false is the keyword, automatically the color of the false keyword got changed to blue here, whereas the other coding part is in black color. So on executing the application, now if I click the image, automatically the image gets invisible. In this way, the visibility property is executed in the Visual Studio.